Hello! Major long time no see. I hope you all are doing well. I know I haven't posted in this video in this group for, I think 5 or 6 years. It's been a hot minute. So a little bit of a backstory of why I'm even back. I was a distributor for Senegence makeup 5 or 6 years ago. And since then, and even before then, I'm still using their makeup. I wear lip scents every single time I put on a lip color if I want it to last. I'm now a stay-at-home mom. Most of you know, to my cute, adorable little Aiden. And I run a cake business from home. And I just had the inkling this week that I wanted to do this again. It kind of came out of nowhere, but it had been a thought bubble kind of over the years. I'd see the product as I'm getting ready and I'd go, oh, that was so much fun. When I was playing with makeup and I had my YouTube channel, I think a lot of you subscribed and supported me there, and I really appreciate that. And that was so much fun. Since becoming a mom, I'm just like in a permanent state of tired. And to be honest, I don't wear makeup every day. A lot of times it's just, this is probably the prettiest bun I've made in I don't know how long. So anyway, I still love makeup. I really miss sharing tutorials and talking about different products. And I've gotten way into skincare, especially Senegence's skincare. It's unreal. So anyway, I am going to I have re-signed back on to be a distributor. I really want to get back into this makeup, sharing it, giving tutorials, makeup hacks, beauty hacks, whatever the category is, interacting with you guys, being friends, creating a new group. And I am going to create a new Facebook group. So I'm not going to spam you guys if you have zero interest. If you don't want any part of beauty, tips, makeup, don't worry. You don't have to do anything. If you are interested in coming with me for even just makeup hacks, makeup tutorials, all things pretty, it doesn't have to be Senegence makeup. Come with me. Leave a comment below or message me. Let me know that you want to come along to my new group, and I will add you once that is finalized. I will bring you over. We'll continue the fun. I will do a relaunch party, which will include giveaways and games and all sorts of stuff. So if you'd like to be a part of that, I'll be throwing that in a couple of weeks. Right now, I just kind of want to prep, and I thought the best place to start was to come back to you guys who started the journey with me 5 years ago. So why not put on some lip scents? If you don't remember or didn't ever watch the videos, lip scents is the patented lip color that is a long-lasting lip color, but it can last up to 18 hours. Again, I've worn this for 8 years. Ride or die. I reviewed other lip products when I was doing my YouTube channel because it's so fun to play with like tons of different makeup. But when I'd wear stuff out, this is legitimately what I grab. I didn't ever talk about lip scents more than maybe once on my channel, just because I wasn't a distributor and I wanted to like talk about stuff that people could actually go out and grab. I didn't have a distributor recommendation. So anyway, but this is the stuff. So a color I've been loving, and I just shook it up so you can't really see, but it's like almost gone. This is Creamer. It's like a really beautiful brown, pinky nude. Oh, it's awesome. I've worn it like all year round. I feel like it goes with pretty much everything that I wear. It's a current color, so it's available. So if you don't know how to apply, again, this is a lip color. It's not a lipstick. It's not a, what's the name of the other thing? Mom brain, guys. It's not a liquid lip where it's like super drying. It's going to be kind of long lasting, but it's just going to make your lips look all crackly and awful. It's a lip color, and it's a 3-step process. You put it on in 3 coats, and then you seal it with a gloss. It doesn't work without the gloss. This is like the hydrating, setting, last step of it. And then you literally have to use the oops remover that you get in the kit, the lip kit of the 3 pieces. I don't have the oops in front of me, but let's pretend this is an oops. You'll get 3 products for this 3-step system. So let me show you how we apply, and I'll show you how amazing it is. So when you start putting it on, you have to make sure if you're a chapstick wearer, you can't have any leftover wax from the chapstick. You got to make sure you have clean, dry lips, because this is going to adhere to whatever's on your lips. So if there's stuff, it will start to come apart throughout the day. So make sure it's really nice and clean. When you apply, you have to keep your lips spread apart, flat. Otherwise, if you put it on with all these little lip crinkles, it's going to create little openings and gaps. So anyways, let's go. I've got a mirror up here that I'm going to kind of follow. You do 1 layer to begin with, and you want to do really thin layers. And you're just getting the color coated. You can already see kind of a difference. On this first coat, I do like to lay down a bit of lip lining, not too intense, because the color is going to naturally build up when you add the layers. And contrary to what I'm doing, try not to touch your lips together. It's really sticky and it feels super funny. And you want the color to be able to set again with those like clean, flat lips. I really wanted to do this video live. It wasn't giving me that option, so maybe it's just too old of a group. So I pre-filmed the video. Ugh. I always feel so silly. And then always get in the water line, because that will be the first thing to break down, especially if you eat like greasy foods throughout the day. And last coat. Sorry if you're like looking at my nose. Or should I say you're welcome? Okay, then once you get that last layer on, it has to dry completely before you put the glossy gloss on. Otherwise, it's just going to be a little bit of a mess. Sometimes you can feel a little bit of a tingling when you put it on, especially if you are an avid chapstick user. Chapstick is wax going on your lips. It's not doing much hydrating. It's coating the issue of dryness, and it makes you want to use chapstick all day long. So when you use chapstick, there's lots of wax on your lips, and your lips just aren't used to this product. So anyway, I was talking about tingling. Sometimes you feel a tingling. There is an alcohol in this product to help with the like the distribution of the product to your lips, but also to keep it clean. This lasts years. It doesn't expire in 6 months like most cream products do. This will last a super long time. Once you get that glossy gloss on, I mean, check this out. Just rub your lips together. Always like grab all the excess gloss, if any. And I like to really rub it in. But check this out. I'm wearing my white sweatshirt. Nothing. Doesn't go anywhere. So if you've got babies to kiss, puppies to kiss, husbands, whoever to kiss, it's not going on them. Can't tell you how many times when I would do a tutorial or like a quick day where I was just like, yeah, lipstick will be fine. And then I go to church and I'm like, oh, I can't kiss you. And then I don't get to kiss my baby's cheeks because it just gets everywhere. I mean, it's a little bit endearing to see a little lipstick mark, but it's not fun to have your full look just come off of you for the day and go on your baby. So anyway, I'm excited to be back. This is Creamer again, is the color. This has been like my go-to. Lasts all day, literally all day. If you, or not if you, when you leave the house, I always recommend taking your glassy glass or another glassy glass, keeping it in your purse. One of the ways to help with the lasting technology in this product is to put gloss on right before you eat anything. It acts as a barrier in between, again, greasy oil foods that can go in and just like eat apart stuff, pull it apart. That gloss acts as, again, a middleman to keep that from happening and keeping your lip color lasting longer. So anyways, love you guys. I hope life is treating you well. I hope that we get to continue to hang out. Again, message me or just leave a message in the comments if you would like to come with me for, again, makeup hacks, makeup tutorials. I'm going to continue to talk about the Senegence products because they've been my ride or die for like 8 years. They've been my favorites. I've tested a lot of makeup. Again, a lot of you watched my YouTube channel. You saw me review things and I had some favorites going through, but throughout all of this time, I still reorder all of these products. Face products. I use the eyeshadows like crazy. So thought it would be a great fit to get back into it, especially as a stay-at-home mom, and have some fun. So I love you guys. I hope I get to talk to you soon. Bye.